Today we hunt for Bubble Mew. I've got a shiny Treasury X half booster box, and I'm feeling lucky. Punk, if not, I'm willing to settle for that sweet Charizard. I'm Waddy Mag, and as always, all today's hits will be on my Vinted. Link in bio. Let's get to it. We get a Mew. Pack one, I know, not Bubble Mew, but surely a sign of intent. Let's go. Kraden, ultra rare. What an awesome looking card.
Hold up, wait a minute.
Whoopsie daisies, that last one almost got away from me. Well, that's the end of that then. No sign of that pesky Bubble Mew, but still a pretty fun opening all things considered. Don't know if it's just me, but I find opening Japanese sets so much more fun. Nowhere near as stingy with their hits. Anyways, that's it for another episode. You can purchase the hits all on my Vinted. Link in bio. Waddy Mag. Signing off.